Yeah, next continuation. Tangent. And you know, tangent means if a line touches the curve at one point, if a line touches the curve at one point, is called tangent. Intersect, secant. Okay. So if a line touches the curve at one point, then that is called tangent. And equation of tangent at p x1 y1 variable point is s1 equal to 0, and you know the notation s1 equal to 0. Same for circle, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. s1 equal to 0, but depending on the curve nu batti equation martadi, but notation ide s1 equal to 0 is the tangent equation. And next what, if a line touches the curve, that is called tangent. But what is the condition? If y equal to mx plus c is, the second point, y equal plus mx plus c is tangent to s equal to 0 means parabola to parabola, then condition is, what is the condition? Line touching, then the condition is for the parabola. If we write s equal to 0, always remember s means y square equal to 4x. If there exists, and if we have to write any different parabola, then we will write the equation. But if we write s equal to 0, remember the standard form, general form, y square equal to 4x. If a line is tangent to this parabola, then condition c equal to a by m. Then condition is c equal to a by m. And the equation is, the tangent equation is y equal to mx plus c means a by m. This is the equation, and this is the condition. And where the line touches the parabola, then there exists a point. And the point of contact is what? A by m square comma to a by m. Correct. A by m square comma to a by m. If a line touches, then that is called tangent. And this is the equation of tangent, s1 equal to 0. If y equal to mx plus c is tangent to the standard form, I mean parabola, then condition, equation, point of contact. Condition is c equal to a by m, equation is this, and the point of contact is that one. For the parabola is what? Standard form. And for the different form also there, that is the parabola is for x square equal to 4ay. For x square equal to 4ay. This is y square equal to 4x. This will be like this. And this will be like this. Okay. For x square equal to 4ay. What is the condition? Condition is c equal to a by m for that parabola. Na? And for same line, if this line touches this parabola, mean you will get like this diagram. This is the line, this is the parabola. Touching like this, then the condition is what? C equal to minus a square. This is the condition. And the equation is what? Y equal to mx plus c. C is what? Minus am square. This is the equation. C equal to minus am square. You have to write in place of c. And the point of contact is what? And the point is, what is the point of contact? 2am comma am square. Am square. This is the point of contact. Condition, equation, point of contact. So next, the equation of the tangent to the parabola with slope m. The equation of the tangent to the parabola in slope form or with slope m is same this only. Y equal to mx plus a by m, where m is the slope. Okay. Now equation of common tangent to the parabola, common tangents of y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4ay or 4by. Y square equal to 4ax, x square equal to 4by. Common tangent means what you will get? This is the diagram. This is the common tangent. So that only the equation of the common tangent of the parabolas, two parabolas, is what they're given. You have to remember this is nothing but a long answer in our IPE. And for object, you should remember the equation x a power 1 by 3 plus y b power 1 by 3 plus a power 2 by 3 b power 2 by 3 is equal to 0. Line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. The tangent from P to the parabola y square equal to 4 into x plus a, y square equal to 4b into x plus b are at right angles, then the locus of P is, this is also very important, for y square equal to 4a into x plus a or a plus x, yes, and y square equal to 4a into 4b into, I think, yeah, 4b into x plus b, these are the parabolas. And he's saying what? If the tangent from P, if the tangent from P to these two parabolas, external point P, and these are the parabolas. Suppose that this is one parabola and this is one more parabola. If you draw tangent, he's saying tangent. See, from P, two tangents from P to the parabolas are at right angle. If the angle is 90 degrees, if the angle between the tangent from point P to the two parabolas is 90 degrees, then the locus of this point, then the locus of that point where the angle is 90 degrees, that point locus P is x plus a plus b equal to 0, x plus a plus b equal to 0. And next point, what is next one? Yes, the equation of more 1 point miss ayipoyinayiga. The equation of common tangent to the circle and the parabola. Common tangent for x square plus y square is equal to 2a square circle and a parabola y square equal to 8ax. This already long answer is y equal to plus or minus 1 into, that one is not right, y equal to plus or minus x plus 2a. This already we have. The equation of common tangent to the circle and parabola. And next one what? And the equation of tangent to the parabola. Equation of the tangent to the parabola. Y square equal to 4a into x plus a. And the previous one 4a x only. Here in place of x plus a, some constant. Tangent with slope m. With slope m is y equal to mx plus c there, but in place of x we have what? X plus a. Simply we can write y equal to mx means x plus a plus c. Y equal to mx plus, I mean x, mx plus c, mx plus a plus c. C means touching the parabola kavatti a by m. After also we can write, after this also we can write the same step with c equal to a by m condition. And next, if m1, m2 are the slopes of the tangent from an external point to the parabola, so like this, from external point P to the parabola, if you draw two tangents, and the slopes of those two tangents is given m1 and m2 are the slopes of the tangent from external point to the parabola, y square equal to 4x, then the roots, actually no need to write this equation, we can write the sum of slopes and product of slopes. m1 and m2 are slopes of tangents from external point to parabola, where m1 m2 are the roots also. Then sum of slopes, product of slopes, sum of roots, product of roots. What is sum of roots? y1 by x1. And what is product of roots? You will get in terms of negative, I think. No, a by x1. a by x1 minus b by a, c by a formulas we have to use after simplification the equation. Okay, you have to do LCM. Y equal mx plus c is there, na? C equal a by m. You have to do LCM and you will get a quadratic equation in terms of m. Then you will get sum of slopes and product of slopes. This one. Next, at most two tangents we can draw from a given point. We can draw maximum two tangents. That already we know. And if theta is angle between the pair of tangents drawn from, if theta is angle between the tangents drawn from an external point P to the parabola, then tan theta is equal to angle between tangents. That is tan theta is equal to, what is the formula? Root S11 by x1 plus a. x1 plus a. Root S11 by x1 plus a. Okay. And next, the point of intersection of perpendicular tangents drawn to the parabola lies on the directrix. This is a question also and also notation. The point of intersection of perpendicular tangents. When you read the statement point clearly, you can easily imagine the diagram. It's saying what? If the point of intersection of perpendicular tangents drawn to the parabola means when the angle is 90 degrees between the tangents, when the angle is 90 degrees between the tangents drawn from external point P to the parabolas, and if you can take one more point, should be 90. You can take one more point, should be 90. Then the locus of these is nothing but is saying what the directrix means. These points clearly lying on the directrix is. So we can say like this also. Directrix మీద ఉన్న ఏ పాయింట్ నుంచి అయినా నువ్వు టాంజెంట్స్ డ్రా చేస్తే యాంగిల్ 90 డిగ్రీస్ ఉంటుంది అని చెప్పొచ్చు. అండ్ ఏదైనా పాయింట్ నుంచి నువ్వు టాంజెంట్స్ డ్రా చేస్తే యాంగిల్ 90 డిగ్రీస్ వస్తే ఖచ్చితంగా పాయింట్ డైరెక్ట్రిక్స్ మీదనే ఉంటుంది అని చెప్పొచ్చు. వైస్ వర్సా ఎలా అయినా చెప్పొచ్చు. బట్ నేర్చుకుంటే చాలు. ఎట్లా చెప్తున్నా ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. ఓకే. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ దట్ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ రైటింగ్ హియర్. నెక్స్ట్ ద యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ ద టూ పారాబోలాస్, దిస్ ఆల్రెడీ angle between y square equal to 4x and x square equal to 4by is theta is equal to, already this we have long answer, tan inverse of 3 a power 1 by 3 b power 1 by 3 by 2 into a power 2 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3. So this is the formula. Next, equation of pair of tangents. We can draw two, na? And the equation of these two, combined equation of these two, pair of tangents is already we know in circle, na? Same that only. S1 square equal to S into S11. This is the formula same for circle, for parabola, for ellipse. Okay, same formula we will get. Equation of pair of tangents. Equation of tangent to y square equal to 4x at parametric point. Equation of tangent s1 equal to 0 is at variable point. Tangent at p of t, we have to use the parametric point, is what? Yt is equal to x plus at square. Yt is equal to x plus at square is the equation of the tangent. Slope of the tangent at t on the parabola. Slope of the tangent. Slope is nothing but a. This is the tangent, right? What is the formula? Slope m equal to minus a by b formula. Minus a by b. A is x coefficient. X coefficient is what? Minus t. By b. B is y coefficient. Taking that side, what you will get? That's all, no? The slope of tangent at t, yeah, parametric point. It's a parametric point is what? 1 by t. Then I'm writing in the standard form. Taking the side, x minus yt plus at square is equal to 0. This is the tangent equation. At where? Parametric point, p of t. And we are asking also slope at where? Parametric point, p of t. And the slope of this line only, the slope. Why? Because tangent slope is asking. So minus a 1 by b minus t, minus minus cancel. 1 by t is the slope of the tangent. Okay. And what is the slope of a normal? Taking numerator and minus. Minus t is the slope of the normal. And next, if two tangents at the points T1, T2 on the parabola are perpendicular, then this is the parabola, this is T1 and this is T2. If the point of if two tangents at the point, this is one tangent, this is one tangent, at T1 and T2 on the parabola, y on the parabola y square equal to 4ax are perpendicular, means when the angle between these two is 90 degrees, then the condition is what? Then the condition is T1 T2 is equal to -1. Already మనం చేసుకున్నాం focal chord. T1 T2 is equal to -1. Next, this is also next one similar. The point of intersection of tangents at T1 T2. The point of intersection of tangents. ఆ tangents ఎక్కడి నుంచి డ్రా చేసాం? T1 T2 దగ్గర నుంచి. ఇదొకటి ఇదొకటి. ఈ రెండింటి పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ఇవి. This is the point of intersection of the tangents from T1 T2. We can draw a tangent at from T1 from T2. Then you will get the point of intersection. That's the point of intersection formula is given. That P is equal to, what is the point of intersection? A T1 T2 comma A T1 plus T2. T1 plus T2. This is the point of intersection of the tangents drawn from 2 points T1 T2 on the parabola. And next, I will continue later.